When we started Coastal Crawl Space and Foundation Repair, we started in a small 800 square foot warehouse with one office in Jacksonville, North Carolina. So it was 3 of us in the beginning. We have grown in a matter of just a few short years to approximately 40 employees. And that is a testament to the quality of work that we do, the type of materials and partnerships that we have with our vendors.
Coastal is a great example of a business that's coming up strong and fast, doing good work, using good gear, staying on schedule, and making living spaces healthier for their customers.
So we do a multitude of different things, but our bread and butter, our main thing is crawl space repairs and encapsulation, trying to get moisture and water out of a crawl space and keep it that way.
And by taking care of that crawl space where all of that air originates, they're building a great foundation for that homeowner to live a healthier life, protect their family, and protect their investment in their home.
This business is all about having product in stock, available, and having products shipped on time. And it's important that you have the right partners in place to make that happen. We've been working with Nash Distribution since the start, and the quality of products that Nash supplies us are second to none. And Nash is the type of organization that feels like a true partner in your business.
Knowing that we can trust Nash to get our products over that last mile to the customer and then into customers' homes, that's what makes this a winning partnership. It's about mutual respect, playing your role, and growing all of our businesses together.
So we use AprilAire dehumidifiers, the E70, the E100. The new Wi-Fi units are great because we don't need to wire them up to the thermostat. The E50 model dehumidifier is something that definitely excites us at Coastal Crawl Space. Small footprint and still packs a punch and gets it done for smaller homes and crawl spaces. One thing that we really appreciate is that they're made in the United States of America, and that's one thing that we support. They really do care about us as a customer. I mean, heck, just look at their 5-year warranty. A lot of other companies stop at 1, sometimes 3 if you're lucky. 5-year warranty for such a quality product is unheard of, and we're appreciative of that. One thing that we pride ourselves on is the fact that, like I said, we are a local company. We have to see our customers at the grocery store. We have to see our customers at church. We care about the quality of the work that we do because our reputation and our name is on the line. I'm going to do the right thing for our neighbors because it's personal, it's family, and we're very appreciative of them for sticking with us.